Benefits of eating almond daily. Almond are not just a tasty snack, they are also a powerhouse of nutrients and can benefit exercise recovery and reduce muscles fatigue. Packed and nutrients like protein, healthy fats, some of the vitamins and minerals. These nuts have earned their place in the pantries of athletes and fitness aesthetics alike. Recently introduced to almond and exercise recovery. Almonds have long been celebrated for their health benefits, but their role in exercise recovery in particularly noteworthy. These nuts contain nutrients that they're vital of athletics and active individuals looking to optimize their recovery and performance. Nutritional profile of almonds. Almonds are incredibly nutrient dense, offering 15 essential nutrients include protein, monosaturated of fats, vitamin and minerals. Ounce serve about 23 almonds provide 6 gram of protein, 14 gram of fat, mostly monosaturated. Almonds are also a good source of magnesium and potassium nutrients, which are crucial for muscle health. Protein and muscle recovery. Protein serves as the cornerstone of muscle recovery, as it supplies the essential amino acids required for muscle repair and growth. Include protein rich almonds in your diet can contribute to enhanced muscle recovery, supporting overall fitness and strength development. Have healthy fats and energy replenishment. The healthy fats in almond provide energy, which helps to replenish depleted energy stores. Incorporating almonds into post workout snacks for or meals can add in restoring energy levels and promoting overall recovery and being integration. Integrating almonds for optimal benefits. Incorporating almonds into your post workout routine can be as simple as snacking on a handful of raw, soaked, or roasted almonds, adding them to a protein shake, or using butter in recovery meals. Role of fats in energy. The monosaturated fats provided energy which is helpful for endurance sports or prolonged exercise session. Protein practical energy boosting tips with almonds. Incorporating almonds into your exercise protein can be simple and effective. Eating a handful of almonds before a workout can be helpful fuel your session, while having them post workout can replenish energy stores and help prevent fatigue. Almonds can also be blended into smoothies or used in energy bars for a nutrition energy boost. Practical and the tips for integrating almonds into your fitness routine. Incorporating almonds into your fitness routine is a strategic move that can be enhance your exercise outcomes with your versatile and your nature and nutrients benefits. Almond can be used in various ways to support your workout goals. Pre-workout, enjoy a handful of almond about 30 to 60 minutes before exercise. Their healthy fats and protein content can provide at a steady release the energy, helpful to fuel your workout effectively post workout. Create ways to include almonds into your diet. Snacks plan almonds, almond mix, trial or almond butter on whole grain toast are excellent snacks that offer both nutrition and convenience. Meals Add sliced almonds to enhance texture and nutrition used in baking recipes as a healthier and effective to regular flour.